In this video, I'm gonna show you how you could enable true stretch on Valorant in 2025. And basically, this is a working way. I do it myself. So what you're gonna do, first open your Nevada control panel. If you don't have Nevada, you can search up other ways to do this on your PC or whatever you have. What you're gonna do is you want to go to adjust desktop size and position. Put the scaling mode on full screen, perform scaling on display, and you override turn this on only if this does not work. Okay, once you do that, press Windows R, go to app data. As you can see, it's written right here. Press OK. Local, press V, Valorant, saved, config, and as you can see, all your files are here. So go to Windows client first, game user settings. What you're gonna do, this is gonna be true, put this to false. This is gonna be true, put this to false. This should already be false, and this should be true. So you're gonna put this to false. Once you do that, put in the resolution you want, the number right here. For me, I use 1280 by 960. This resolution is pretty good. Last user confirmed resolution, put it here as well, the resolution you want. Last confirmed full screen mode is going to be either 0 or 1, put it to 2. Preferred full screen mode, put it to 2. Over here there might not be anything. What you want to do, full screen mode equals 2. You're going to want to type that in, and then press save. Go to file, then save. Okay, once you do that, you're going to want to do it for every single thing. So once you did it in the Windows client, if you don't have it in Windows, you're going to have, it's going to be 2, or maybe like if you have 2 accounts, it's going to be 2 files here. This is my alt account. What you're going to do, go to the account you want. You should just do it for both accounts because you can't really find out what account is which. Go to Windows, game user settings, do the exact same thing. False, 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 everything false. Put in your resolution number that you want. Put in 2, 2, and type in full screen mode 2. Okay, once you do that in Windows, go to Windows client, do the same thing. False, 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 false. The resolution, full screen mode 2, and full screen mode 2 right here. Then for all of them, you're gonna want to save it. Once you do that, go to your Nevada settings. Change resolution, put it to the resolution you put in the files. So 1280 by 960, press apply. Yes. Now open up Valorant again. As you can see, it is now in stretch resolution. So it's in stretch resolution now. As you can see, it might say 1920 by 1080, but don't worry about that.
My ultimate's ready.
And you are now in true stretch resolution. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.